Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And today I have a very cool lock for you I found on eBay. Really cool score. It's a Dome 333S. And yeah, here's the keyway. And the S, yeah, I was really hoping for what this is. And I wasn't sure, but I was gambling. It was really cheap actually. I was really lucky. And yeah, it's a 5-pin lock, but the specialty is inside the pinning. I think they don't make it anymore, and I got it already one side, and I have it here. Let's put the core aside. I don't think not much special about the core, just a cool keyway. And yeah, let's have a look at the pins. And yeah, it's the one dome lock which comes with the rattlesnake pins. Yeah. So maybe you've seen people doing these and producing these in challenge locks, and this is a commercial lock which has those. And yeah, if you know a very cool YouTube channel, Potty314, Potty Pie, he has these as his thumbnail, I think, for the channel, or his name. And yeah, was really hoping they were in there, and they were. But I picked this site open, and I directly noticed, well, pin 5, which should be a very short pin, I didn't need to push it that much down. So there's something wrong. And also, if you have a lock with this bitting, you can assume that it is mastered, and then you have a stamp on here which says 1, and you have a stamp which says 1. So maybe there are other locks operated by other keys, and there's some mastering involved. And actually, I want to quickly show you something. Let's populate the key pins. Nice torpedo pins, by the way, in chambers 4 and 3. And put them back into the core. In 2, yeah, I think it has a steel inset in the pin for anti-driller measures. And I directly noticed, well, you don't actually need the mastering, right? But not so quick. One thing you always have to check if you can remove mastering is like, okay, here in chamber 4, you have like a rattlesnake pin and a very short master, and you can put this in, and then you see, well, you won't snag any spring if you don't pick it to the right shear line. But here in chamber 5, if you take the long driver pin, you see that we are below shear line. So if I would leave out this mastering wafer, which is quite long actually, I would end up below shear line, and it could happen that I pick pins 1 to 4 and don't need to pick pin 5 because there's only a spring in the way, and then I would snag the spring. So what I actually did was I got another driver, something like this, a long driver, which I put in here, which sits nicely, and yeah, works fine. And yeah, this I put in the other side, and yeah, here the remains of the mastering from this side. So yeah, now we can pick it. I found that this nice tensioner from Multipick just fits in here really tight, really good. And then you can use different pins, like picks like this one in 0.5 millimeters, and just pick through here. Nothing special. So yeah, enough talking about it. Let's get it in a vise and get it picked. So here we are back in the vise. Works just fine. And yeah, I changed my tensioner to this flat pry bar because this works a bit better. and using the steep profile in 0.4 millimeters because that doesn't rub against the warding, and start picking from the back. 5 is binding. Got it set. Something on 3. And I think with the shaft I pushed too much on 2, so now let's reset. I overset 2, I think, in the process. Okay, 5. Something on 4. Something on 3. Let's find 2. Okay, 2 is fine. 1 is doing nothing yet, still springy. 3 again. Okay, 1. One is binding and got it set. Three is bound, see what I think, that's the rattlesnake part. Okay, 1 feels happy. 2 feels happy. Oh, got it open. Really cool. That was my fastest time by far, I think. Really cool. So let's not screw up the gutting, hopefully. But as you see, I still have the other side removed, so it should be a bit easier in theory. Let's see. So the sweet rattlesnake pins really gave me quite a challenge. And maybe I can use the pliers. Need to bend it open a little bit. The usual C-clip struggle. Okay, now it should come off. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's get a follower. Cool. And yeah, why not get the new pinning tray from RW Customs? Oh, wow, maybe because it's so shiny. I have to learn how to light it up properly, I think. Maybe like this. Okay, let's have a look at the pins. So 1 is standard. 2 is a standard, a bit shorter one. 3 is a rattlesnake. I love these pins, they're really awesome, but horrible to pick actually. I hope they would give like counter rotations or so, but most of the time not for me. Sometimes I got a little false set and standard in 5, but most of the time actually they were giving almost no feedback or felt like a serrated pin or so. And yeah, really strange feedback for those. Let's put the pins where they belong. The springs, sorry. Okay. And I still want to show you the key pins. I already showed you the effectiveness in the beginning. And yeah, let's just dump them out. And of course, all turned wrong. Man, I love the spinning tray already. Really cool. Okay, here they are. What's the best to light it up? I think my lamp is too spotty, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. But anyhow, back to the pins. As I mentioned in the intro, standard in 1 and 2 and 5 for the drivers, and then the amazing rattlesnakes in 3 and 4. I removed all the master wafers, and yeah, for the key pins 1, 2 and 5 are standard, and then on top of the rattlesnake pins are these nice torpedo pins. If you really overset them that much, then you probably won't get out of the groove here. So yes, really cool lock there from Dom, the Dom S. Well, oh, my lighting's so horrible today. Yeah, it was really a challenge to get this open without the master wafers, but really like to dig it and to learn it. So hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.